Okay, welcome back to Department of Collegiate Education. I am Ramamurthy, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government Postgrad College, Badavanalli. So we can learn about previous chapter, business law, under which meaning, definition, future essential of contract. So now in this unit you can study the company's law under business law. So okay, first you can study the Companies Act, under which definition of companies, types of companies. So you can remember or recall the company from second semester business economics or second PU economics or business studies. So you must, what are the objective to learn this unit? You must know the what are the importance companies of the business law. Importance of business or company to the nation. So the major objective learn this session, you know the types of companies, objective of companies, act of companies 1956 or 2013 on recent amendments. A company is a legal entity formed by a group of individuals to engage in and operate business, commercial or industrial enterprises. A company may be organized in a various way for tax and financial liability purpose depending upon the corporate law of its jurisdiction. According to the definition of company by the Indian Act 2013, a registered associated, which is an artificial legal person having an independent legal entity with the perpetual succession, a common seal for its signature, a common capital comprised of transferable share and carrying limited liability. According to a British, a company is a body corporate or an incorporated business organization registered under the Companies Act. It can be limited or unlimited company, private or public company, limited by guarantee, or a company having share capital or a community interest company. Types of company. Classification of companies based on the liabilities. Classification of company based on the members. Classification of the companies based on the control. So you can learn one by one. First, you take classification of company based on the liabilities, under which a company limited by shares. So it means, as the name implies, the liability of the company is limited to the share price of the each shareholders. Personal assets of the shareholders would not be disturbed. Their responsibility are limited to their debt of companies up to their share price only. Companies limited by guarantees. These companies may or may not have a share capital, and the liability of the each member is limited by memorandum to the extent of the sum of money she or he had promised to pay in the event of liquidation of the company for the payment of debts and liabilities of the company. Classification of company based on the liability, under which you can last unlimited companies. There is no formal restriction to the amount of money that the shareholders or members of the company has to pay in the event of the liquidation and unlimited company. Classification of company based on the member. A public company. A public company are those that advertise their stock and share to the general public. People can freely trade the stock of the public company without any restriction. The shares of listed company are traded in the stock exchange market. Private company. A private company cannot be owned by the public. It restricts the number of the members, the right to transfer its share, and prohibit any invitation to the public to subscribe for any share or debenture of company. Classification of companies based on control. Government companies. Government companies are those that the hold 51% of share capital of the company. The remaining 49% of shares the company offer it to the public and private individuals. Mixed ownership companies also named used the government companies. Holding and subsidiary companies. Holding is a present company that control the business operating of the subsidiary company. By control, it means the holding company has a complete over the selection and election of the board of director. It hold all the shareholders of the subsidiary company. Associate of companies. An associate company is the business valuation of firm in which one company owns a significant voting share of another company. The voting share usually range from 20 to 50%. If it is the more than 50%, then it would be a subsidiary company. So student, further you can study, go through the internet, given the mail address or email address, and also study the business law B.S. Raman and company law and secretarial practice Gafoor. So in this session also given the multiple choice question under which the term company is defined under the which set of act. You can give the four answer, select the right answer. And property of the company belong to given four option, correct, select the correct answer. Maximum number of members in case of public company, given the four answer, select the correct answer. Minimum number of the members in case of public company, given the four answer, select the correct answer. Minimum number of the members in case of private company, given the four answer, select the correct answer. Maximum number of members in private company, given the option 4, correct, select the correct one. The companies are regulated under, given the four answers, select the correct answer. Which company share can be freely transferred, given the four answer, select the correct answer. Word corporation dashed in the company, given the four answers, select the correct answer. A subsidiary of government company is also treated as, given the four answers, select the correct answer. Thank you.